Well, what's up everyone? I'm Nick. This channel is called Swiftful Thinking, where we cover everything Swift and SwiftUI related. And in this awesome series, we're gonna build our first SwiftUI app. It's gonna be a to-do list app, and we're gonna build it using MVVM architecture. Now, if you don't know what that is, it stands for Model-View-ViewModel, and it is the most common architecture for SwiftUI apps, and it is a great starting place for beginners. So the app itself is actually gonna be pretty simple. We're only gonna have 2 or 3 screens. We're not gonna do anything crazy, but what we are gonna do is focus on the foundations of building an app that is ready to be in the App Store. So we're going to set up our project by separating the logic for different parts of our app into different files. We're going to practice safe coding so that our app never crashes, and we're going to make our app adaptable. So it looks good on an iPhone and an iPad, it looks good in portrait and landscape mode, and it looks good in light and dark mode. So I'm going to assume that if you're watching this, you already know the basics of SwiftUI. And if you don't, I have another playlist on YouTube called the SwiftUI Bootcamp, where we cover all of the basics in SwiftUI. And after you complete that, this is the perfect first app to build, where we really are going to focus on building an app that is App Store ready. So with that said, I am super excited to share this project with you guys. This is the first full app of hopefully many that we will build together on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And as always, I'm Nick. This is Swiftful Thinking, and I'll see you in the next video.